have you ever cheated before?
Not with another human.
What do you mean?
I cheated on my boyfriend with his dog.
I mean, how did your boyfriend find out?
He opened the door and I was in the doggy position with his doggy.
Leave woman alone. Leave woman alone.
That's right, ladies and gentlemen. The vagina is a trap. Do not fall in there. Because you could end up having terrible problems, which you've already got, that are just going to be exacerbated. Please do not go into the vagina, because you could end up with gonorrhea, syphilis, chlamydia, and that's if you're lucky. If you're unlucky, you could end up with a child, which you cannot get rid of as easily as you can get rid of chlamydia.
Leave woman alone. Leave woman alone.